Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the perfect Yorkshire pudding, and it's easier than you think. I'm going to take equal quantities of egg, milk and flour. I'm going to do this by noting down how many mil of eggs I've used and use the same amounts. You will need to rinse out and dry off your jug before you measure out the flour. Just want a really thorough whisk together and setting to the side. I'm then going to add 2 millimeters of oil into the bottom of my Yorkie tray so they've got a good bit of oil. You'll notice that mine looks slightly greasy and I don't wash mine off between each time, I just wipe it out, and this gives it a really good non-stick layer. We're then going to pop it in the oven for 10 minutes on 180 so the oil's nice and hot, and this is what causes the Yorkies to rise. I'm then just going to carefully pour in my batter, and you'll see a few little bubbles as you pour it in, and that's good, that's a good sign. And you want to leave about a centimetre gap at the top to give the Yorkshires space to be able to rise up. We're going to give these 25 minutes on 180. And they're lovely and crispy on the top, slightly soft on the bottom, and they look perfect. If you like this video, hit that button and share it with your friends. It helps me a lot.